What's up, guys? Tyler Albert back at it again. Today we're going to be taking 300 crickets, falling into people, dropping our crickets, and verbally assailing the people who quote-unquote tripped us. Get ready for this, kids. Don't do drugs. Oh. You okay? Oh, thanks, bro. My crickets. My crickets, bro. Can you help me with the crickets? Bro, I need help. It's for the science experiment. Bro. I need help with the crickets.
What do you want me to do?
We need to put them back in the fishbowl. Bro, I need you. Nah, we just have to raw dog them. Bro, I need your help.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious, dude. These things cost me $1 a piece. Professor X's experiment.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Professor. I lost my crickets. Can anyone help? I need help with the crickets, guys. I know that dude with the headphones tripped me over there. The heck, bro?
Why do you have
It's for the experiment. I can't talk about it. It's actually confidential. No, it's much greater than that. Thank you. Appreciate that. Appreciate your help, guys.
There's a law over there.
My crickets! Oh!
别踩了，别踩了。
Help, please.
来，帮他抓一下，帮他抓一下。
Help me with the crickets.
蟋蟀。
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Got one.
We need help.
I'll hold your thing. And you go.
Oh, thank you, sir. Appreciate your help.
And I'll watch.
There you go. Good
there you
man,
go.
good man. Help! My crickets! Help! Please don't step on my crickets, guys. Please help me. Thank you. Oh.
别踩了，别踩了。
Thank you. Thank you.
Good at it. Look at this.
Yeah, they're pretty difficult to catch sometimes.
Okay. Is this like a social experiment? This is a social experiment. You're like, who will actually help me?
No. Thank you, guys. I wouldn't waste time in a social experiment with all these. These crickets cost me $2 a piece, guys.
What?
Yeah.
Perfect.
So that's like
There are a
$100
couple of
right there.
flatten ones over there.
I'm breaking a cold sweat right now.
Oh, he's hanging on.
Oh my god. That one carried the genome.
I don't believe you.
Please, sir, yeah, please. Sorry. See these crickets?
Just walk around them.
Yeah, can you like jump over every... Oh my god, sir. Thanks so much. time to free the crickets and move on with life. Be free, guys. Just be free. With that being said, guys, make sure to smash the like button and hit that subscribe harder than you would the homecoming queen on prom night, baby. Deuces. That carried the genome. You seriously stepped on the...
Yeah, she's filming it.
Why are you filming this?